Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video we're going to look at how much YouTube pay me each month in ad revenue with 29,000 subscribers. Now you're probably looking at how many subscribers I have below right now, and yes, at the time of recording this I do only have 14,000 on the Profit Boss channel, but I also have another channel which is dedicated to my passion and hobby of cars, and that's the Crazy Speed channel, which has around 15,000. So when you add them both up, that's a total, of course, of 29,000. Now, firstly, we'll jump on the laptop here and I'll go through the analytics, so all the detailed information about the Profit Boss channel. So what we need to do here, you can see for the last 28 days, I've actually earned £443 there on the screen. But if we click onto the year of 2022, I actually got monetized on this channel in the February of 2021. So it's been going now with money being earned on it for about 2 years now. It's actually 9 days away from being exactly 2 years. But you can see there in 2022, it was £6,610. So that was my first full year of being monetized and earning money on the channel. You can see the very best day for the year was £41.29 that YouTube paid me in ad revenue. And then the worst day was actually, Christmas Eve, and that was £5.22 there. At the start of the year, yeah, they were quite low as well, but still around the £10 mark, but nothing as low as that sort of £5 mark there. Now, if we click on to lifetime here, you can actually see that I did start the channel up actually way back in January 2016, and then I never really did any, I didn't do any videos whatsoever. It was just kind of a channel that I'd made and never did anything with it. But then on the 9th of February there, you can see my first day of money earned was £9.06 from the very, very first day. And then you can see, yeah, it goes right up to that best day there that we just looked at there before, of that around £41. You can see that in 2 years, I've earned £10,889.61, so nearly £11,000 there. So call it about £5,500 per year. Typing 10,889 into the calculator and dividing it by those 24 months, the 2 years, we average there £453 a month. Now, jumping over here to the other channel I have, so the Crazy Speed channel, the ad revenue here, so if we click on the full year of 2022 there, we can see that it wasn't quite as much on this channel, so £2,386. And you would think it would be more because there's more subscribers on this channel. But because the Profit Boss channel is actually to do with making money online, advertisers pay more money for those kind of videos. Whereas car channels do earn good money for ad revenue, but not as good as make money online. Like anything, make money online, Forex trading especially, that's like the biggest niche to earn money from, because people in that sort of space want to spend more money on ads. Whereas, something like if you were just doing, say, cat and dog videos, you would earn very, very little to do with ad revenue. Now, you can see here in 2022, the very best day that I had there was £27.60, so not as good as the best day on the Profit Boss channel, so like half, basically, as good. But if we go on lifetime here with the Crazy Speed channel, we can actually see that in the lifetime of the channel being monetized, so again, we were monetized around the sort of beginning of 2021, so roughly 2 years it's been going, but I did have to turn off all sort of ad revenue for a while due to copyright reasons. There was a few videos that I couldn't actually earn money on, so that's why it's in the pennies there for quite a while. But then we had a huge day when I turned ad revenue earning back on, the monetization. The biggest day I had was £301.32 in a single day, and that was from one video that's still quite popular on the channel. But that video's had I think nearly 3 million views now. And yeah, it earned me quite a bit of money there. But if we take the 2 years there basically of ad revenue earned, so 8,451, again divided by 24, we can see that's £352 a month on average. Then we can add in the average monthly income from the Profit Boss channel and see that on average, YouTube is paying me £805 a month at the moment. I was thinking of doing a few more of these kind of videos, like how much I earn from certain things. For example, I thought, should I share how much I earn as an OddsMonkey affiliate? So when someone signs up to OddsMonkey through my link, I earn a commission. And are people interested in hearing how much a month I earn from that? Just let me know. Drop a comment below on this video. Let me know if you don't care about that stuff and this isn't really your kind of video. Or yeah, if you want to hear more about that, please do comment and let me know. But as usual, if you've enjoyed this video, please do drop a like below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.